PhD equals to progress, harmony, development. India's economic transformation from a developing economy to a global economic powerhouse is the result of tireless efforts of the PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry, or PhD-CCI. The Chamber has played a pivotal role in India's amazing economic metamorphosis. As a forward-looking, proactive and dynamic national organization, PhD Chamber has been working at the grassroots level with strong national and international linkages. Today, PhD Chamber is the largest and most respected industry association representing the small and medium enterprises. The origins of PhD Chamber go back to 1905, when a visionary group of 5 British and 3 Indian businessmen in Delhi pioneered the Business Forum for the Protection and Promotion of Indian Trade and Industry. It was then called the Punjab Chamber of Commerce. As India took wings, became independent and slowly but surely transitioned into a global economic player, India's oldest and most relevant chamber was renamed the PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry. It is now India's foremost national chamber. In the years after independence, some of the biggest names who shaped Indian industry and laid the foundation of India have been at the helm of PhD Chamber. To commemorate 100 years of PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry, the government issued a postal stamp in 2005. Such has been the history of India's most respected and influential industry chamber.
The present government has talked about making Indian economy a $5 trillion economy by 2024. To achieve this objective, the model talked about is investment model as against consumption model. When we talk of investment model, that means making in India, promoting manufacturing, promoting exports. PhD Chamber has a big role to play in achieving this objective. When we say manufacturing in India, make in India, promoting exports, that means the MSME sector, which is, I'll say, the lifeblood of Indian industry.
PhD Chamber has more than 2,200 direct members, 1.28 lakh indirect. The total membership base of the chamber is around 1,30,000 companies, representing the length and breadth of India. Besides, the chamber has more than 200 association members and 16 state chapters. On the world stage, the chamber is connected with over 76 foreign affiliates globally. Headquartered in New Delhi, PhD Chamber has regional headquarters in Chandigarh, Lucknow and Jaipur. In addition, there are state offices across the country to manage the ever-expanding activities of the chamber. The state chapters are in Delhi, Chandigarh, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Assam, Jammu and Kashmir, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Kerala. Our partner chambers are the Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce, Industry and Agriculture, Federation of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Federation of Karnataka Chamber for Commerce and Industry, and Federation of Industry and Commerce of Northeastern Region. The chamber offers modern infrastructure facilities like a state-of-the-art auditorium, conference halls, meeting rooms and business centers. As part of its mission of India First, PhD Chamber regularly organizes interactive sessions with global chambers and visiting ministers of various countries to explore new markets and opportunities for its members. In recent years, the chamber has organized international events in Dubai, Bahrain and Singapore, and participated in global exhibitions in China, Thailand, Russia, Dhaka, Bangladesh and Tehran. PhD Chamber opened its first international office in Bahrain to reach out to the GCC countries last year. The chamber also participated in the Indian Expo in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and was also a part of the Indian Pavilion at 16th Global Indian Festival in Malaysia, Best of India at Azerbaijan, and the second Best of India show, Exclusive India Products Exhibition in Sochi, Russia. PhD Chamber, for the first time, took business delegations to Canada, USA, Rwanda and Uganda with the Prime Minister's delegation. A business delegation of the Chamber also travelled to Uzbekistan. Delegations also travelled to the Czech Republic, Bahrain, and an industrial study tour to China under its present leadership. PhD Chamber has also signed an MOU with the European Business Group to explore business opportunities in the post-Brexit era. A recent addition is the formation of the Ambassadors Economic Forum, devoted to creating new business opportunities for its members in countries hitherto not catered to.
The PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry was established in the year 1905. We are celebrating the 115th year of our continuing service to the trade and industry in India. The Chamber acts as a catalyst for the promotion of trade and industry through its policy advocacy role based on strong research and grassroots interaction at all levels. With more than 1.3 lakh direct and indirect members, PhD Chamber has a pan-India footprint with 25 local chapters spread across various states and union territories. Our membership ranges from micro and small enterprises to some of the largest corporates in the country. India has more than 6 crore MSMEs, which provide employment to more than 12 crore workers. The MSME sector is vital for employment generation, exports, and overall GDP growth in the country. The PhD Chamber is proud to be the only national apex chamber which has a strong focus on MSME sector and acts as the voice of the small entrepreneur. The PhD Chamber has more than 50 specialized committees on various subjects such as direct and indirect taxes, company law, foreign trade, skill development, agribusiness, energy, defense, telecom, railways, ease of doing business, etc.
Recognize outstanding achievement in business and entrepreneurship. The Chamber gives out annual awards for excellence covering businesses across India. Through its not-for-profit foundations like the Family Welfare Foundation and the Rural Development Foundation, PhD Chamber fulfills its responsibility towards social development.
The 114th year of the PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry has been a historic year for the nation. The PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry has been absolutely at one for working with the government as the voice of the industry and also working with Indian industry as the voice of the government. We know we are a chamber which has most of the sectors of industry represented in it as members not only of the chamber but also of the managing committee, plus a very large presence of the MSME sector of Indian industries, which forms the backbone of Indian industry right now. This is a very happy coincidence that the government has put a very large amount of emphasis on the MSME sector, providing various incentives for it and various tax benefits for it, including the Reserve Bank of India, which has given an immediate clearance for all banks to provide 20 lakhs of rupees for loans immediately on a priority sector lending rate.
The IPR Center of PhD Chamber advises and assists MSMEs on how to get design registrations, trademarks, copyrights and patents. The PhD Chamber has expert committees on various economic sectors comprising representatives of member companies who also act as advisors. A recent addition has been the MSME Facilitation Center, focused on creating markets and helping raise finance for member companies. The Chamber organizes over 400 conferences and seminars, including social networking events annually. The Chamber is present on all major social media platforms. The certificate under the Diamond category in 2017 as a Diamond BMO organization. PhD Chamber organized a series of big events and had invited stalwarts from various fields to be a part of their conferences and seminars. North India's largest trade expo, PITEX 2017 in Punjab. The 5th International Agri-Horti-Tech in Uttar Pradesh and the 5th International Farm to Fork Conference and Exhibition. Over the years, several Prime Ministers and eminent leaders of India have met and interacted with the Chamber's presidents and members. We are all geared up as India marches ahead towards its vision for the year 2022. PhD at Progress, Harmony, Development. The National Apex Chamber. India First.